It's time to do a color spotlight on what is fast becoming one of my favorite brunettes. This is Belle Tress French Roast Brown R. I actually have her in two pieces. I've got her in Austen. Austen is what's on my head right now. And Kelly. Basically, Austen's much longer sister, if you ask me. I think they've got very similar wave patterns. And this one's a chin length bob, and this one is more of a longer style. So the color French Roast Brown is, like I said, fast becoming one of my favorites. And I thought I would give you guys a look at this color in multiple different lighting scenarios. So maybe you can see if it's a color for you. We are in my bathroom right now. I have cool lighting in here. And this is how she looks in this type of lighting. What I love is the softness and the richness of this brunette with some auburn highlighting. So not blonde. It's not overly auburn or red though. It does lean warm, but it isn't red. It's just a really stunningly beautiful, beautiful color. Let's look in some other lighting. And here we are in front of a big giant window. I have no artificial lighting on me right now, just lighting from a window. And this is how she looks here. Or this color, I should say. Now, the interesting thing I've noticed is when I am in this scenario, because the background is lighter than the foreground, it can make the color look a little different than it does outside. A little richer, a little deeper. Isn't that just a stunning brunette? Love this color so very much. I would say it looks a little less auburny in this lighting than it did in my bathroom. All right. Next one. Here we are in my living room. I have no supplemental lighting on me, but I am further into the room. So I've got windows around me, but they're quite far away from me right now. So it's mainly ambient lighting. Once again, it looks different. Now let's see what happens when I turn on some supplemental lighting. Here we are with supplemental lighting. A little bit of studio lighting. My skin looks a little clearer when I've got good lighting, a little smoother. It just helps because now you know that you really do have to look at it in multiple lighting. One more time, and we'll step outside so you can see this outside. Still pretty. And here we are outside in the shade. They did such a phenomenal job with these highlights. Wavy styles are so great with highlights because you can really play up those waves if the highlight placement is good, but so stunning. One more. And here we are in direct sunlight. It's so bright, I can't even see my camera right now. I can barely see. It's so bright out here. So the richness and the depth was lost in that direct sunlight. So lighting has such a dramatic impact on how color looks. That's why it's so important that when you get your wigs, you look at them in multiple different lighting scenarios, not just in your kitchen or your living room or your bedroom, you do have to look at in multiple places because they do look different in multiple places. I hope this helps. Tell me, do you like this color as much as I do? Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.